All right, this is RainEx original right here, glass water repellent. Now I'm going to be applying this to my windshield and side windows and even the rear window. Now this glass water repellent applies water beading technology that dramatically enhances visibility. As you can see right here, I'm getting closer so you can see this. It shows what it looks like once it's treated, and there is the untreated. And you can see the treated side, you can actually see out of it a lot better than the untreated side. It takes the water and it actually beads it up to where it just drains down, whereas the untreated side seems to just have the water sit on the windshield and just stay there, which reduces visibility out of the windshield. Now, there are some warnings on here that you should definitely read before using this product, but I'm just going to go through the directions briefly, not cover them thoroughly, but just briefly. And the directions are: clean the glass, which I have right here. Clean the glass thoroughly. Dry surfaces before treating. As you can see, the surface of the glass right here is actually dry. All right, and apply at temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. You see that? Turn nozzle sprayer on, which I just did. So it is on, and then point away from face. Do not point in your face, as it says right there. And apply RainEx to a small folded dry cloth and wipe the exterior glass using a firm, circular, and overlapping motion. Allow to dry until slight haze appears. Reapply RainEx to ensure complete uniform coverage. Remove final haze with a dry cloth or by sprinkling with water and wiping with a paper towel until crystal clear. After use, turn sprayer nozzle off, store and transport in a closed upright position. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my cloth like it says, and clean dry cloth, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Now what it says is when you're applying this to your windshield or your glass, that it's going to be a slight haze to it. You're gonna take that, you're gonna let the haze get on there, and then afterwards, after you let it dry a little bit, you're gonna take a clean cloth or paper towel. Okay, got a whiff of that. And then you are going to wipe the haze away. And that haze, by doing that, will give you that nice, shiny, not shiny, but clear look on your glass. As you can see, there's a little bit of haze right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the other side. And I'm going to go ahead and apply it on this side. So overlapping type of thing. And you can see there's a little bit of haze right there, and that's perfectly normal. And so what that does is it's going to apply the coat on there, and you're gonna let it dry, and then you're gonna take a clean, dry cloth and then wipe that haze off. So I'm gonna do this, all right, to all of my windows. I'm gonna get the application on it and allow that haze to be on here, okay? So overlapping position, get it on here, and this is gonna allow the water droplets to just bounce off and improving my visibility when I am driving and water comes down on the windshield. So I'm just gonna get this side. This has got a really cool product right here. I'm gonna get the last windows. All right, there's gonna be a haze on that. It's perfectly normal. And get this one right here. I'm gonna allow this to dry, and then I'm gonna come back with a different cloth and give it another wipe down without using the RainEx. I'm basically getting the haze off, and it should be protected by RainEx. All right, we're gonna come back and give another wipe down with this. And now I'm just taking this and giving you that good shine to it. It's almost like you're taking wax off, and so what it's doing is I'm taking the not so clear coating and rubbing it in, and it's coming off on the cloth a little bit. And I'm going to show you how the beading action works after I finish taking all of this coat that's on the windshield.